Welcome to our tutorial about pen assignment. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about relations between the colors you see in model space and the colors on paper that come out of your printer. Let's go to Layout 2. Now let's right-click and select Plot. Let's take a look at the Plot Style Table drop-down menu, or Pen Assignments. First, let's check out how the DWF virtual pens look. Preview. Since our background is white, the white color in model space has now inverted to black. Let's right-click and select Exit to close the preview. Another option we have is Grayscale. Preview. And now we have various gradations of black. In other words, black looks black, and the other colors, like red or yellow, look lighter or gray. And let's right-click and exit to close the preview. Let's take a look at monochrome now. With the monochrome pen, every color becomes black. Right-click and exit to close the preview. Some other options we have here involve screening. If we've got 100% screening, we basically have the same color as we see in model space, apart from white inverting to black. With 100% screening, all colors have 100% opacity or visibility. Right-click and exit. Let's go to 25% screening. Preview. Now the colors are pretty transparent with 25% intensity of the actual color. Let's right-click and exit. We've got a couple other screening options. Here we have 50% or 75%. Down below, we can select New to create a new pen table. Let's cancel out of this window. And let's go to the Layers Properties palette. I'm going to change the color of the part layer. As I mentioned before, every color here has a number assigned to it. The first 7 colors also have a name assigned to them. For this example, I'm going to select green. Green has the number 3 assigned to it. Let's click OK and close. Now in model space, our part looks green. Let's go to Layout 2. Right-click and select Plot. From the Plot Style table, I'm going to select Monochrome. Let's edit. Here we've got 3 different tabs: General, Table View, and Form View. As you see here, if I select different colors, all will be printed as black. Remember the color we selected for our part layer, it was green. For this example, let's select red from this drop-down menu. And so we don't overwrite our table, I'm going to click Save As. We'll give it a name, My Plot Style. And click Save. Cancel out. Let's select My Plot Style and click Preview. And as you notice, the green color in model space is now red for printing. Let's right-click and exit to close this preview. The Plot Style table on your computer is located right here. I've just highlighted the path in Windows Explorer. After you create a Plot Style table, you can simply right-click and select Delete if you want to get rid of it. Yes? Even if it still appears in this drop-down menu, if I try to select it, I'll automatically be bounced to None. And this concludes our lesson about pen assignments.